lesson for today is what I have shared earlier with you. Is a flowchart diagram. I'm just going to read the scenario of this flowchart. The flowchart below inputs 6 single digits number. The predefined function mode gives the value of the remainder. For example, W is assigned to 10 mod 3, which gives the value of W equals to 1. So W, it says there, is the remainder. Okay? So it means that 10, when you divide 10 with 3, you get 3 here. You get 9. When you minus that together, you get 1. So this is your value of mode. It says there W is equal to 1. Next, let's analyze the flowchart diagram. Okay, it has start symbol here. Next symbol in the flowchart diagram is input symbol. It says there inputs these 6 different digits number. We have A, B, C, D, E, and F. After inputting, what do you do with the inputs? You're gonna do a bit of calculations in the process symbol. Times A with 1, B with 2, C with 3, D with 4, E with 5, and you add these all together to get the total variable. Next, in the flow diagram, you get the total here, you mod it with 11. You get another variable here, check. That's another process symbol. Next, in the flowchart diagram, you have a decision symbol where it's do checking. Checking for the value of check. If value of check is actually equals to F, your F is from here. Okay, that is equal. So you're gonna go either for yes or no flow line. So if it is actually yes, you're gonna output as up. Okay, so this is another output symbol. And if it's no, you're gonna output reject statement message. To further understand this flowchart diagram, we're gonna use a tracing table in order for us to know whether this flowchart is working or not. We need to do some sets of testing values. So I'm gonna draw up just a simple tracing table just next to it before I do some testing. Okay, a simple table on the trace table here, as I already drawn. So let's say we have a set of inputs. Okay, I have inputs of this series. Okay, just an example. Okay, so we have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 as the inputs here in the first diagram in the flowchart. So next will be the process. We're gonna multiply each of this number with 1, 2, and its position actually. Okay, so we're gonna multiply this with 1, this with 2, 3. There you go. We're gonna add the multiply them together first. So we have 2 here, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, we have 10. So next in the process is to get the total. Total means just to total up everything here after you multiply them together. We have 10, we have 20, we have 30. So actually our total is 30. Next is the process symbol of checking, whereby you need to divide this with 11. Okay, so you divide 30 with 11. You get 2 there, 22. When you minus that, 10 minus 2 will be 8. So your check mode value is 8. Next in the flowchart diagram, we have checking decision. It says there, check your checking value is 8. Is 8 is equal to F. Your F is actually 1 there. Okay, so is it equal? As I said just now, this is yes, this is no. So it's not equal. So when it's not equal, you're gonna display the message reject. There you go. Okay, next example. Assume that we have another set of values for input within the system. Okay, assume that you have a set of values. Okay, I just enter in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 7. Okay, so 6 different inputs of values there happens here in the first of the flowchart diagram. So next process is to multiply this together with the position. So this one is with 1, this one is with 2. And there you go. We have the answer. 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, and when we add this together, just to get the total, okay, that is in the next flow diagram. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. We have a total of 55. Okay, check is to find the mode to the division of 11. So 55, that is actually in the next flowchart diagram. So your answer will be 55. When you minus that, you have no remainder. It's actually exactly 0. Okay, so your mode is 0, and compare it in the decision symbol. Is 0 is equal to the value f. Your value f is 7. So it's not again equal, it's no. So again, another message reject will appear under the output column. Okay, let's have another example set of data inputs. Okay, let's take a set of inputs. We have 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 9. Okay, now we're gonna do with these inputs again. We're gonna find the total. First, multiply these numbers with its position. So click on that. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. This is times 4, 8. This is 5. This is 10. Then you add them quickly together. Okay, just to find the total. That is in the next diagram, process diagram. So you get 10. We have 20 here, 30 here, 31. We have 31. Okay, next is to check whether the mode. So find the mode. The mode is 31 divided with 11. You get 2. 2 times 11 is 22. When you minus that, you get 9. So your mode value is 9. So just put that inside the check column and compare. That's the third one here. So check. Check is 9. Is it equal to f? Your f is actually value of 9. So when you compare that, is it yes or no? It's yes. So when it's yes, it's gonna output accept. There you go. So this is how the process of flowchart works. Okay, it means to say that it has two different process to reconsider here. To calculate is the total, and then after that the check. Then we have to do some decision checking on this check value, the mode value actually, in fact. Then either the mode value is acceptable or not. It's a very simple task shown in the flowchart diagram. So your teacher will be giving some sets of inputs later for you to test on, and that will be your activity in the classroom.